Hi, everyone. My name is McCarl, and I'm a principal software engineer with a technology consulting company called CreativCodes. I've been working with clients of all sizes for 17 years. I've been working with people that are one-off entrepreneurs just starting a project to organizations as large as JP Morgan Chase Bank. I've worked with advanced integrations, LLM models, and everything under the sun that you can imagine. Anything from cloud architecture to development to Kubernetes to Terraform to infrastructure stuff to modern application development. I got your back. I work with languages like Python, C Sharp, React, Next.js framework, which is a Node React framework, and anything that is kind of modern and new. If you're looking for someone to really understand your needs as a software project or a technology solution, I'm your guy. I am really easy to communicate with. I was born in Colorado, based in America still, living in Florida right now. I would love to work with you. I would love to help you with your business. I've worked with everyone, every type of business that there is in multiple industries: banking, healthcare, um, merchant services, government contracting, HIPAA compliance stuff. I can do anything. If you're looking for someone that really delivers on a project that can understand your needs within one conversation, please reach out to me. I would love to work with you in your business here on Upwork, and I'm excited to take you guys to the next level. Thanks.